Keeping the vehicle's upholstery in perfect condition is just as important as a good body wash. A clean interior, free of stains and bad odors, conveys quality and professionalism. And with the car wash Blinker range, you can achieve impeccable results for your business. Before applying any product, it is essential to remove dust, crumbs, and surface dirt. A deep vacuuming prevents dirt from becoming embedded in the upholstery during the process. Blinker Textile Cleaner is a super concentrated product that restores the original color and removes persistent stains. Its profitability is very high thanks to its concentration, and it can also be used as a multi-purpose cleaner. For proper application, dilute between 2% and 10%, depending on the level of dirt. Apply the product evenly, avoiding excessive soaking. Let it act for a few seconds, and then proceed with removal. This cleaning product is compatible with most professional upholstery cleaning machines. With a slightly damp microfiber cloth, remove the excess product along with the loosened dirt. If necessary, repeat the process. Remember to wring out the cloth well to avoid overwetting the fabric. If you have a vehicle with leather or synthetic leather seats, we recommend an alternative method for delicate areas. In these cases, where mechanical brushing is not recommended, use a soft green sponge. Apply the product, make circular movements, and remove with a microfiber cloth. To complete the interior cleaning, pay special attention to the mats. With the Blinker 2-color brush, you can easily remove dust and embedded dirt thanks to its polypropylene bristles and ergonomic handle. As a final step, vacuum the mats and apply a small amount of textile cleaner to enhance color and finish. This way, you will achieve clean, uniform, fresh upholstery with a professional finish. And you? What techniques do you use to keep your upholstery spotless? Tell us in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like, subscribe, and activate the notification bell. See you in the next video.